this video, I will show you step by step how to trade crypto on Kraken. You can do this on the app or website, and you can use the normal Kraken app or the Pro app. On the Pro app you will get lower fees, but most people want to use the normal Kraken app since it's easier. If you want to use the normal app, just open it up, and from the home screen you can click Trade. Now here click either Buy, Sell or Convert. I'll go and buy some crypto as an example. Now here, for example, I'll do Bitcoin, but you can search for whatever you want to buy. And then from there choose how much you want to do. So you need to have a minimum of €1 in your balance. Currently I only have 77 cents, so therefore I cannot currently buy it. But for example, you could do €10 and then just purchase it. So instead I'll just actually sell something, so trade and then sell. From here I'll select Bitcoin again, and now I'll sell, for example, €10, then click continue. And from there you can see the fees even on the normal Kraken app aren't that bad. Here you can just click confirm, and now you have sold this Bitcoin. Now you can also swap crypto by clicking convert. And for example, if I want to swap Bitcoin to Solana, it's already set to that. I can also do it for XRP, for example. Then let's say I want to do 25% of my Bitcoin, then I can click 25%, then continue. From there click confirm, and now I will be swapping my Bitcoin, in this case for XRP. So if I now go to my portfolio, you can now see I have some XRP instead of Bitcoin. So it's very simple to use, and trading on Kraken is very straightforward. Now you know how to trade crypto on Kraken. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.